Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hello guys, hello. How is everybody doing out there today? Hey guys, hey. How y'all doing today? How are y'all doing today? So before we get started, if you are new here to my channel, please run over there, hit that subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload a video. And don't forget to thumbs this video up, guys, and share me out. Share me out to everybody you know. Yeah, go talk about internet at fun, but make sure it's something good though. Okay, and thank you to all my new subscribers. And thank you to all my subscribers that have been rocking with me for a long time. I love you guys. Thank you so much. So I am here with an unboxing. And this is a huge unboxing. Yes, goodness. So, this is our NUWAVE OxyPure Smart Air Purifier. I hope you guys can see that. Yes, so we have the regular purifier here that we have in our living room, and you know, it did what it was supposed to do, but we seen this, and this one was huge, and it looked like it does a lot more. And this is supposed to change the air in our entire home. And then this is 2 stories, so this is supposed to change the air downstairs and upstairs. Yes, and we need this. So I'm gonna unbox this with you guys. Now I had to lift this thing and put it up there because I wanted y'all to get a good view. And comment below if you have one of these or you know somebody that have one. It's supposed to be awesome, guys. I'm gonna have to stand up to get this right. I'm sorry, guys. Woo! Like I said, it's a huge unboxing too. Okay. Throwing stuff. This is the directions. OxyPurify. That's it, guys. I ain't gonna keep y'all waiting while I do this. Let me get this out this box and I'll be right back. So guys, I got most of it out. So this right here is the HEPA carbon filter, and it has the instructions to it. That's this. These little black things in here moving look like. Okay, this is another one. This here is the, yep, HEPA. So it has like 4 of them, you know, look like. Yep, here's another one. Yep. Wow, what if they got something over on this side too? Same thing. So far, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 filters. Here's another one. Lifespan 6 months to a year. Not washable. Yep. So that's the lifespan 6 months to a year. So we should be able to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 years out of this, look like, before we even have to have any more of those. Oh, wait a minute. Here's another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, guys. Wow. And here's another one. That make 8. That's 8 years right there. What we got here? And I think the only reason why I'm doing this box like this is because where I have it positioned. That's why. So, this is the baby right here. Well, that went the box. Now, and it looks like it slides too. It got some, oh, those are the wheels, guys. It got some wheels on there. So it looked like it's gonna slide for us. Okay. Let me see what this baby can do. I heard something click on, but I don't want it on yet. Okay, guys. So, I was thinking this the one that's different, but it's not. It's the same. It just didn't have the writing on it. So I'm putting this in, and it tell you, you know, this side up. So you slide it in. I hope y'all can see a little bit of what it's doing. You slide it. Now there's another piece back here. This is the one that you keep in. See, that one is different. That's it. And I'm glad it tell you what to do, because I'd be lost. Because you got 3 things you got to do back here. And then, I wish I could can I put this up on the table for y'all? I want y'all to see. Just in case somebody out there want to order one. Even though I know you can Google stuff, and it's probably on YouTube. Everything on YouTube, right, guys? But, well, that still ain't gonna let me show y'all. Well, if I hold it like that, y'all can see. So, this is just like, this is the different one right here. And see how it says, this side up? I'm glad that it has that, because I'd be totally lost with all this stuff back here. So we got that one in, and then this here. Now this is some of the stuff that you don't have to replace. And then I thought I seen something else back there. Okay, well, I guess that's it. Yeah. Let's make sure one. Oh, this whole thing come out. See that there? That's another one that goes to it. Another part of the filter. I know this thing should work. This should be great here. This, yes, with all of this going on. Because our other one, it just have a front part. It's little, it's long. You have a front part. You pull it out and you put the little filters in. You have to keep changing them out. This bad boy right here. Yes, guys. So, let's put her down. Turn her around. Oh, let me show y'all how she look up to the top. Pretty. Look at that. See that? Now, so all of the stuff is in order back here. Let me close her up. And like I said, guys, this is the NUWAVE Smart Air Purifier. So she should do tremendously up in here. Y'all heard that little sound? Let's see here. For maximum effectiveness, run 24/7 in auto. Warn and read, remove before use. Okay, so this is telling you, this, I read this because it was telling me to make sure everything's in the bag. And it's already, let's turn it off because I want y'all to see something. Okay, let's go. Power, auto, ultimate clean, the fan, the timer, the turbo, the air, the odor. So fan speed is on low. And this tell you when it's time to reset your filter. Reset filter, the turbo. So right now it's clean, no odor is what it's saying. So that's where it's at. So it'll go around and then it'll say strong odor, dirty. Yep. So this, even though we got the carbon monoxide machines, we got 2 of those. This help with it too. Yeah. It lets you know if it's in the air. So this right here is gonna be great, guys. I'm excited about. And it's not loud. Let's see how. Let's go. I turned it up. Turn it up. Turn it up. Enjoy that ASMR. Let's turn it off. So guys, that's the end of my video. I wanted to share this with you guys. I'm excited about my little baby. I'm excited about her. I'm gonna sit her to the side and let her start working. Let her start doing what she do. So, once again, the NUWAVE OxyPure Smart Air Purifier. That's it right there, guys. This is the best look like. Oh. And I am so happy. One of these, 6 months to a year. And they not washable. You know, when we run out of these, we have to order more because you can't wash them. So, and then we got one that's already in there. And they gonna last us a year, I'm sure. This one in here gonna be a year. So guys, I'm gonna get off of here. Thank you for getting up here, spending time with me, watching me open up and struggle with my NUWAVE. Don't forget to thumbs this video up, guys. Like, share me out. Hit the notification bell so you can know each and every time I get up here with a video. Enjoy your day. Don't let nothing or no one ruin your day. I love you guys, and I'll see you the next time I get up here with a video.